Prime Minister Modi, in fact, to address the nation at about 5 p.m. This is the latest we're getting in today. Prime Minister Modi is all set to address the country. Remember, comes just ahead of the Diwali Bonanza or the GST 2.0 that's about to kick in from tomorrow. And today we are getting this big breaking news that Prime Minister Narendra Modi will address the nation today at exactly 5 p.m. Remember, viewers, we will be covering that address at News 9, so do stay tuned to the channel. But that's the latest breaking we're getting you at this point, that Prime Minister Modi is all set to address the nation today at 5 p.m. Now, my colleague Pragya is joining me on the phone. Pragya, please do give us details about this big address that's set to take place today at 5 p.m.
Yes, well, the information that has come out through ANI, agency ANI, is that Prime Minister will be addressing the country at 5 p.m. A lot is happening, in terms of foreign affairs, in terms of economy. So we are not yet clear as to what the address will be about. However, this is also coming ahead of the implementation of the GST cuts from tomorrow. So the GST cuts will be implemented from tomorrow, and whether this is going to be an address related to the same, or will this be on the economy on the whole, given the tariff war with the U.S. And now the visa curbs that the U.S. has implemented. So we are still waiting to, find out what exactly the address is going to be about. But the discussion is underway. Social media is also abuzz with, what it's going to be about, and the discussion is ongoing everywhere. It's become the topic of the day. So, of course, everyone is going to be glued to the televisions at 5 p.m. and their mobile phones, of course.
Rightly so. Of course, everyone will be glued to their television sets to see what the address is going to be about. But do you think we could have some announcements with regard to the GST 2.0 that's supposed to kick in from tomorrow?
Very much likely. It is very much likely. Whether there's going to be a new announcement or if this is going to be, sort of a lead-in to that, we have to wait and watch.
Right. Thank you, Pragya, for joining us and giving us those crucial details. Now, that's the news of the hour. Prime Minister Modi will be addressing the nation today at about 5 p.m.